The swag is a simple yet effective solution helping mums, couples, families, eco-warriors and everyday grocery shoppers all over the world to ditch plastic, reduce food waste, save money and help the environment and our wildlife heal. The swag comes in 3 sizes, but which size is right for you? The small swag is perfect for smaller vegetables such as grapes, herbs, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes. You can have a combination of fruits, veggies and leafy greens all in one swag. The long swag is great for your longer vegetables. Think celery, spinach and leeks. However, you can put any of your fresh produce in here too. The large swag is perfect for storing a large variety of fruit, veggies and leafy greens of any size. You can have a combination of fruits, veggies and leafy greens all in one swag if you like. Everyone has a different way of using their swags. I like to put all of my freshly purchased produce in the large swag and then I move all the older produce into a small swag. This way I know the one with the orange trim is the swag I need to use up first. The colour coding really helps here. It's about helping you design a system that works best for your lifestyle. Some swaggers use a separate swag for fruit, a different one for veggies and another for leafy greens. Others just throw anything and everything into one swag. Whatever works for you. Jump on over to our website to view our full range of swags so you can work out what suits you best. Feel free to check out my other swag videos for more tips and tricks to keeping your fruit and veggies fresher for longer. Happy swagging!